Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell books on eBay. Whether you're clearing out your shelf or starting a reselling side hustle, this guide will walk you through the whole process step by step. Okay, the first thing we need to do is go to ebay.com and log in. Once you're inside the site, go to the top part of the page and click on the sell right here. This is where you can manage all your listings, drafts, and seller tools. Once you're inside the selling dashboard, go ahead and look for a button called List an Item. It's right here. Click this, and you'll be taken to the page where you can build your book listing from scratch. By the way, you can also view drafts that you saved earlier, and you can also edit those here as well. Now, in the search bar, type in the book that you want to sell. So for this tutorial, let's say we want to sell the book The Great Gatsby. Make sure that the title is accurate so eBay can find matching product details to help you build the listing faster. So after typing the title, click the search button right here. eBay will now show you similar listings or pre-filled product info that you can use as reference. From the results, choose the version that matches your copy: hardcover, paperback, special edition, etc. For example, let's go ahead and click this hardcover. Now, select the condition of your book: brand new, like new, very good, good, or acceptable. In this part, be honest. Buyers appreciate accurate grading, and it helps maintain your seller rating. Let's say the book that I would like to sell is brand new. It will now take you to the Complete Your Listing page. From here, you can upload photos or videos of your book. Make sure your photos are clear and well lit, showing the front cover, showing the back cover, showing any wear marks or bends, including the spine and inside pages if necessary. High quality images help your listing stand out and build buyer trust. In the next section, you can go ahead and edit the title, item category, condition, item specifics, and many more. As you can see here, it's already pre-filled, but it's because of the book reference that we chose earlier. So go ahead and edit these details with your own version. Don't copy the reference that you chose earlier. On to the next section, which is the description or the item description. You can either write your own description or use eBay's AI-generated description tool right here. If you're writing your own, focus on the condition, the edition, year of printing, any marks or highlights, and why it's a good copy. Also, select the country of origin of your item, as this helps with shipping calculations. Now in the pricing section, we can see that it's pre-filled as well, but please do change this. As I said earlier, this information comes from the book that we referenced earlier. On to the delivery section, you can also choose from shipping or pickup, shipping only, and pickup only. Once you chose the delivery type, go ahead and edit the remaining details for the delivery. You can also toggle the who pays, buyer, or the seller. You can also toggle international shipping and the delivery details. Once everything is filled out, the title, photos, condition, description, scroll down and review your listing from top to bottom. Make sure that the price is correct, shipping is accurate, all images uploaded correctly, and if everything looks good, go ahead and click the List It button. Once you've clicked on it, your book is now officially live for millions of eBay users to see. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.